This is question number 1 from geometry homework number 7, part 1. The question says, what is the area of the skating rink? We're going to circle area because that's what we're trying to find. We know we have area formulas. So our first step, we need to divide it into shapes that we have area formulas for. I see right here I have a semicircle, and on this side I also have a semicircle. Now we could take those two shapes, and if we combine those two shapes, we see that we have a full circle. So instead of dividing in half for each one of those, finding the area of a half circle, area of a half circle, I can just find the area of one full circle and then add that. So I think that's what I'm going to do here. If you did half and half, that's fine. You'll still get the same answer, but it might be a little bit easier to do this way. So I have that circle. Then I have this rectangle here. So my two formulas that I'm going to set up are for the rectangle in the middle. I'm going to say A equals length times width. And for my circle, or two semicircles, you could think of it as, we're going to say A equals pi r squared for the area of a circle. So now that I have my two shapes, I need to figure out my dimensions. Length and width for my rectangle. Well, I have this. That's going to be my length, so I can plug in 25 for length. My width is going to be this, and we know that's labeled as 10. So my area for this rectangle is going to be 25 times 10, which would be 250. And my units are feet. We know it's area, so it's actually square feet. That one was pretty easy. Coming over to the circle, we know that we need a radius. So we said that the radius is from the middle point to any part of the circle. So it could be here, it could be here, it could be here, here, here. Those are all going to be the same distance. So if I know that this entire thing is 10, and we said that one of these over here, from the middle to the upper part, can be the radius, so we know that's exactly half of 10. So my radius is going to be 5. I'm going to carry that down, carry down the pi, the a, and now I need to expand 5 squared. This squared we know means multiply the big number by itself that many times. So it's going to be 5 2 times. 5 times 5 in parentheses. Carry down my pi, carry down my equals, and carry down my area. Then we're going to solve 5 times 5. We know that 5 times 5 is 25. And then carry down pi again, carry down the equals, and the area. Now on your calculator, if you have a pi button, you can go ahead and hit that. I do not have a pi button on my calculator, so I'm going to use the estimation of 3.14159. If you are using 3.14, you'll get something close. I'm just going to make mine a little bit more precise. I'm going to multiply that by 25, and I get area equals 78.5. Now it looks like 539, but this number is going to affect the 3, and it's going to make it round to 4. So I'm going to erase that, and I'm going to say 78.54. Again, my units are feet. We're talking about area, so it's going to be feet squared. So I found the shape, or I found the area of the rectangle. That was here. I found the shape of the full circle. So here's one half, here's the other half. Together that makes one full circle. That's here. And now all I need to do is add them together. So we have 250 square feet plus 78.54 square feet. And I can put my decimal 00, just so I have those lined up. And you're going to go ahead and add those together. Whatever you get here, and then you use your units, feet squared, is going to be your answer.